Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about how to use the citation and reference tool in Microsoft Word. If you're like me, you often wait to the last second to do your references or works cited page because it usually means going and finding Purdue OWL, figuring out how you're going to do your references, alphabetizing them, making sure that they're all in the same and right order, and it's just not a fun experience. Recently, I found that Microsoft Word actually has a tool that automates the process for you. So when you're starting off a document, usually you'll be on this page with this tab. You'll see your options for your fonts, your font sizes, how to build your paragraphs, and so on and so forth. If you come up here to the top, you'll see that over here on references, if you click on that, it'll talk about how to do all of your references, whether it's endnotes, footnotes, or bibliographies, which is exactly what we're going to do right now. So if you come down here to Citations and Bibliography, you'll see a couple different options. Starting off with Style, you'll see that there's quite a few different ones, but the most common ones that you'll use are APA and MLA. If you're using APA, usually it's for science-based classes or essays. So if you're working in a scientific field, whether it be psychology, geology, or so forth, you're going to use APA formatting. If you're writing an arts-based essay, you're going to go to MLA. This will be for anything that you're doing with English, literature, art, social studies. You'll usually do those for MLA. But today we're going to talk about APA formatting, so we'll just leave it selected on APA. If you go up to Manage Sources, you will see a box open up which has a master list and a current list. On the master list, these are all your sources that are saved on your computer, and you can use these across multiple different documents. These aren't just saved for one, they're actually saved for documents and essays you want to use in the future, so you don't have to go back and re-enter all the information. So you'll see here I've got quite a few of them, and I built them all in this document, so they're also on the current list. These on your current list are just for your current document. So anytime that you're wanting to build this just for this one, it'll be everything in your current list. So it won't have everything in your master list, but you can move them back and forth, delete them, edit them. You can add new ones and just keep those for the future. So we're going to close this out. Down here under bibliography, you have a couple different options. You have bibliography, references, and works cited. Your references are going to be just for your APA style format. And your works cited page, or works cited, will just be for MLA. So because we chose APA, we're going to go up to references, and we're going to click references, and bam! All of your references are correctly formatted. They're alphabetized and ready to go. You don't have to do anything. They're in a nice little table for you. They've already got all the information that you put on, so you don't have to worry about missing a period, making sure that something's italicized, missing a parentheses, or making sure that they're just in the right order. It's done it all for you. This is a wonderful tool, and I will definitely be using this in the future for my essays because it'll take a lot of the time and stress of making sure that I've got it correctly formatted. I hope this helped you. It's definitely helped me, and thank you for your time and for watching.